Introducing the Mars MS-2100 ABI monitor. To begin setup of your device, remove the carry bag from the box and remove the contents. Inside the bag you'll find the following contents: cuffs, AC adapter, software, USB cord and main unit. To begin preparation of your device, you'll need to connect the cuffs. Each device kit will come with 4 cuffs, 2 blue and 2 green, indicating left and right side. Once you've removed the cuffs, you'll find there's a tube assembly connected. Once all the cuffs have been removed from their packet, simply disconnect the end tube assembly, ready to be inserted in the bottom of the device. To insert the tubes on the bottom of the device, grab the tube, corresponding color to the corresponding left or right side, green being left, blue being right. Insert the tube from the very front of the device, gently through, and press down on the connector gently. This process is to be repeated for all the cuffs. Lastly, prior to operation of your device, ensure the power connector and USB connector are plugged in correct and the device is powered on. The next video will contain the operation of your Mars MS-2100 ABI monitor.